Hey everyone, the Minisforum M2 is one of those compact PCs that feels far more powerful than its tiny size suggests. At first glance, it looks like a standard 5-inch mini computer designed for office work or media streaming, but internally it carries surprisingly serious hardware. Powered by Intel's new Core Ultra 7 356H processor based on the Panther Lake architecture, the M2 is clearly aimed at users who want workstation-level performance, AI capabilities, and flexible home lab functionality without needing a large desktop tower. The Core Ultra 7 356H itself is the main attraction here. With 16 cores, 16 threads, and a 45-watt TDP, the system has enough power for demanding multitasking, virtualization, productivity work, and even local AI processing. Minisforum is heavily promoting the AI angle, and for good reason. The integrated NPU delivers up to 50 TOPS of AI performance, while the GPU contributes another 40 TOPS. That opens the door for running local language models like Qwen 3.5 directly on the machine, instead of relying on cloud-based services. For developers, enthusiasts, or privacy-focused users experimenting with AI tools, this makes the M2 much more interesting than a typical mini PC. Memory and storage support are also impressive for something this compact. The system supports up to 128 gigs of DDR5 RAM, which is massive for a micro PC, and extremely useful for AI workloads, virtual machines, or heavy multitasking. Dual PCIe 4.0 M.2 slots allow up to 8 terabytes of NVMe storage, giving the M2 enough room for large datasets, media libraries, or NAS-style setups. The connectivity options are another strong point. Dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports immediately make the M2 attractive for networking projects, soft router configurations, or compact server deployments. Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 add modern wireless support, while USB 4, HDMI 2.1, and DisplayPort 1.4 ensure excellent external display compatibility. The ability to run up to 3 4K monitors simultaneously makes it suitable for productivity workstations as well. Despite the powerful hardware, the M2 remains remarkably compact. Measuring just 130 by 127 by 50 millimeters and weighing around 520 grams, it can easily disappear behind a monitor using the included VESA mount. That makes it ideal for clean desk setups or space-constrained environments. Cooling is always a concern in many PCs, but Minisforum appears to have managed thermals reasonably well according to the company's testing. The dual heat pipe cooler and centrifugal fan keep the processor around 78 degrees Celsius under full load, with noise levels at roughly 42.5 decibels, noticeable but still acceptable considering the amount of performance packed into such a small enclosure. Overall, the M2 feels like a very capable next-generation mini PC designed for power users rather than casual consumers. It combines strong CPU performance, impressive AI acceleration, excellent expandability, and advanced networking features in an extremely compact form factor. While the fully configured price is not cheap, the hardware and flexibility make it a compelling option for developers, home lab enthusiasts, creators, and anyone looking for serious computing power in a tiny desktop machine. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day and God bless you.